So, coming back to the account that created the pull request, or if you were working by yourself, this will be just your same normal account. You can see here on the top bar, it says that our pull request was merged. We can even open up the commit details, and we can see that our multiply.js is now on the main branch. What that means is the main copy of code has all of our changes, and we don't need our branch anymore. So, come over here to GitHub Desktop, and we can click Fetch Origin. And that syncs our version of the code with the code in GitHub, but we don't need our branch anymore. So what we're going to do is we're going to right click on it. We're going to open up our dropdown. We're going to right click on our branch and we're going to click delete. Now it's going to say it can't be undone. And do you want to delete it in GitHub as well? Well, it says this branch also exists on the remote. The remote means somewhere out on the internet, wherever our code is being stored, this branch also exists there because we published it in a prior video. So what we're going to do is, yes, we do want to delete it there as well. We're going to click this checkbox and we're going to click delete. Now our function is gone. Sorry, now our branch is gone, and we'll click fetch origin. What fetch origin does is it compares our code with the code out on GitHub. Now we can click open in Visual Studio Code, and we can see that multiply.js is on our computer. If we come over here, we can see we are on the main branch. Originally, multiply.js was not on the main branch, but now it is on the main branch. So the main version of our code has all of the changes from our previous branch. Now, you never, ever, ever want to develop on main. So you're going to keep following this pattern where you create a new branch and then you open it in Visual Studio Code. You make changes. You save those changes. You come over to GitHub, desktop, you write a message about what you did. You publish your branch. You create a pull request. Here you create your pull request. You say what you did. You create your pull request. And then someone can come on, look at what's happening, and then merge the pull request. And once that's done, you're back to deleting your branch again. And as long as you keep following this process where you make a branch, you make your changes, and you merge it back using a pull request, you'll be following what's called the GitHub flow. I hope that was helpful. Thanks for watching.